Music producers, it's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and stop worrying why I don't have no sleeves on. I'm wearing my jersey. Shout out to my Lakers. Aside from that, music producers, would you be interested in getting a free version, yes, a free and a legit version of FL Studio 20, the signature bundle? This is no clickbait. Let's talk about it. Music producers, we are living in a very celebratory time. I am so excited that we are getting ready to reach this monumental goal that I set out at the beginning of this year. We are slowly approaching 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. And although I know a lot of YouTubers, a lot of folks say this all the time, we wouldn't have been able to do it without you. This is so true. I would not have been, I can't subscribe to myself 100,000 times. I need a little bit of support and a little bit of help. So thank you to each and every one of you that have been subscribed to my channel. You've been watching my videos over and over and over, sharing them over and over, leaving comments, liking, doing all those great things that show how strong of a community we are. With that said, I want to give something back to this community because I love y'all like a family, and I want to make sure you guys are out here legit. You know, I made a video a few months ago basically talking about the reasons why you should not pirate FL Studio. And you guys have seen my life has tremendously changed over the last few months. You see, doing the right thing is always the right thing. So that being said, the great people over at ImageLine, and specifically Scott, have given me the opportunity to give away a free copy of FL Studio 20, the signature bundle, yes, the $300 one, for free to a special producer out there that can follow these instructions for a sweepstakes that we are calling the Kurt 100K. Aside from that free version of FL Studio, tell them what else they'll be getting, Bob. You'll be getting a care package from Curtis King. Yes, your friend Curtis King. I will be blessing you with every single one of my drum kits. The Big Drums Knock series 1 through 3. You will also get access to my online courses, first and foremost being my music producer website course. And then secondly, you will also get access to my newly updated FL Studio beginners course that's not even out yet. You will actually get access to that before everybody else. So yeah, we're not playing for this 100K. So I know you're probably saying, okay, Curtis, I'm getting excited. That sounds kind of amazing. What I gotta do? 4 easy steps. Step number 1, make a 30-second video, music producers, that basically describes how a specific video or a specific quote from Curtis King TV has affected your career or has affected your life as a music producer. Secondly, upload that video to either Instagram or YouTube using the hashtag Kurt, C-U-R-T, 100K. Bow. Keep in mind, we will not be able to see your entry unless you use that hashtag Kurt100K. That includes using Kurt100K hashtag within the actual title of your YouTube video and in the description of your Instagram. You don't have to do both, but if you do both, that may increase your chances. Thirdly, don't be acting all brand new. If I don't know who you are, I ain't trying to give you no free copy of no FL Studio 20 and all this good stuff. That being said, make sure that you're already following me on Instagram if you upload your video to Instagram, and make sure you're actually subscribed to Curtis King TV if you're gonna put it on YouTube. And then step number 4, you don't have to do anything except for chill and wait until we either reach 100,000 subscribers or September 10th. I'm hoping that we get to 100,000 subscribers before September 10th, but if we don't, September 10th is when we're going to announce the winner of this FL Studio 20 free giveaway of these Curtis King drum kits, of these Curtis King online courses. Look, you're gonna be so doggone decked out, you won't even know what to do with yourself. You're just gonna have an abundance of everything. Either way, producers, I'm excited to get your entries. I'm excited to see how this channel has affected your career and your life and maybe your outlook. I'm just excited to see some of y'all faces because I don't get to see your faces because you be using different avatars and pictures, and that's all good. Anyways, much love from Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. 100K followers, we are on our way. Thank y'all so much. Once again, this is Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com.